and that is going to set the stage for a very active and potentially wintry weather pattern over northwest Arkansas. And folks, this is that persistent southwest flow weather pattern we've been talking about. We always say, oh no, southwest flow, because it always throws a few curveballs at us. Multiple pieces of energy moving in as early as Sunday night into Monday, but really cranking up Monday night into Tuesday. And northwest Arkansas is going to be in this battleground zone between cold and warm air. And anytime that happens this time of year, that typically favors freezing rain potential along and north of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel. That looks like it's going to be the case for Monday into Tuesday. Another storm system moves through Wednesday into Thursday. If that cold air can be a little bit deeper, we would see more snow and sleet over northwest Arkansas. But nothing is set in stone right now, not even the winter weather potential, because these models are all over the place right now. And in my opinion, a lot of them are a little bit too warm, such as this particular model. This is the European model. It struggles, folks, with these shallow Arctic air masses that are going to be in place. And as you can see, that is fostering widespread rain Monday to Tuesday. Not a whole lot of winter weather potential with that first storm system if the European model wins out. Now notice, Wednesday to Thursday, that cold air gets a little bit deeper according to the European. That allows for freezing rain and sleet to develop in far northwestern Arkansas, eventually transitioning to all snow Wednesday night into early Thursday morning before swinging off to the east of the area. Now, the other model that we look at, the American or GFS model, much more aggressive with the system. It also handles shallow Arctic air masses just a little bit better. So notice Sunday night into Monday, already a little bit of freezing drizzle leaking into the higher terrain of northwest Arkansas. We typically see that this time of year with this type of weather pattern. Of course, as we move throughout Monday afternoon to the evening, temperatures continue to cool off over far northwestern Arkansas, and that fosters widespread icing potential along and north of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel. So that is something that we've got to watch very, very closely. That would certainly cause a whole lot of impacts on Monday to Tuesday. Not only that, it's swinging another piece of energy Wednesday into Thursday. The cold air a little bit deeper with this system. That's why it's showing mostly snow over northwest Arkansas with freezing rain in southern Washington County. So if the GFS model wins out, folks, that would mean significant winter weather potential for much of next week. Now, obviously, nothing is set in stone right now. You got to make sure you get all those updates. You can download that free Weather Authority app by scanning that QR code on your screen. And of course, Dan Scott will have all the latest information coming up later on this evening, starting at 5 p.m. But no rest for the weary, folks. High temperatures in the middle to upper 40s today, lower 50s on Saturday, with the caveat that it's going to be dropping off as we move throughout the afternoon hours. Of course, Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, that's when that winter weather potential will start to increase. Of course, it's possible right now, not confirmed, so just make sure you're staying weather aware. High is going to be in the lower to upper 30s with overnight lows in the 20s. River Valley, for now, we're expecting mostly a cold rain with this system. Obviously, a lot of time for that to change. 70% chance of rain on Monday, 40% chance of showers Tuesday and Wednesday, with overnight lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s.